your eyes on me, apply that. Get it, don't.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Anna and you've picked the perfect time to join me because today is week 2 of my fall wig series. This week we're diving into Outre Perfect Hairline's wig in the style Aurabel, and then this gorgeous color is called Cajun Spice. This wig did not come out of the package like this. I actually went ahead and customized the frontal, which I'll be dropping a tutorial soon so you can get these results too. So grab your pumpkin spice, get comfy, and let's dive into this fall slay together. For a more natural look, I use my red lace tinting spray on the lace, and let me tell you something, guys, I am in love, capital L-O-V-E, okay? The tint and the customization makes such a huge difference, and what did Rihanna say? I'm in love, I'm obsessed, and I don't even feel bad about it. Alright, let's get into this install. I'm starting by clipping the hair to the back to make it easier, and here's a close-up of the frontal I customized. As you can see, one side is plucked a little bit heavier than the other, and that's because the video that I recorded shows 2 different plucking methods to pluck in a synthetic wig. Now I'm cutting the lace into 3 sections and removing the ear tabs to help the wig lay flatter. And for my adhesive, I'm using my Ebin Mold and Hold hairspray, and I'll be applying 2 layers along the hairline and then pressing the lace into my skin for the perfect hold. I'll then go over it one more time with adhesive to get an extra secure melt. Then wrap up my elastic band around my hairline to lock everything in. Now this color is the perfect pick for week 2 because it brings out all those warm autumnal vibes in one gorgeous shade. With rich fiery undertones, Cajun Spice blends deep red, copper, and hints of orange. And that color just mirrors the change in fall leaves. The color pairs perfectly with cozy fall wardrobes like brown, beige, and even olive green, creating a look that is both bold and seasonal. Plus, it adds that natural warmth to the skin, giving you a glow that's ideal for the cooler months. So, if you're a girly who wants to try a bold color this fall, this is definitely the color to try. Since I've already customized this unit, there's not much styling left to do. I'll be going with the middle part today because I just love a good bust down middle part, okay? The girls who know, they know. And plus, this wig has so much lace space to switch up the styles however you like. So you're not really just limited to one look. Alright, so I'm going to part the hair right down the middle, then go in with my wax stick to really define the parting. I'm pressing it down with my hot comb to make sure it's laid super flat. And girl, don't forget to press the back for that flawless sleek look as well. We want, however it looks in the front, we want it to look in the back. Oh, and just a heads up, all the products that I'm using in this video are linked in the description box below, so you can grab them for yourself to get a similar install. Now for the roots in the front, I'm adding a bit more of that wax stick and pressing it out with my hot comb. We're going for that salon level slay, okay? And after that, I'll take the band off, and it's already given a melted look. This is a close-up of the front, and it's melting so well. Girls, I'm so excited about the final outcome. Don't mind me, I'm just a little too excited for this. I'm cutting off the extra lace in the front, and here's a little trick. I'm doing it in sections with an eyebrow razor. This gives the most natural look by avoiding any harsh lines. I'm also cutting it at an angle using a zigzag motion, which helps blend the lace seamlessly into your skin. This way, it's almost invisible. I said almost. Not invisible, almost. Next up, I'm applying a little bit more holding spray around the hairline, and then I'm grabbing my blow dryer and rat tail comb to really press that lace down for a secure hold. Gotta make sure it's not going nowhere. Now, I'm usually all about the dramatic baby hair, but today we're skipping the edges for the girls who want a sleek and polished look. Don't worry, I got you. This series is all about giving everyone options, so this is not just for one set of group, this is for all the girlies, okay? To blend the lace into my skin flawlessly, I'm using my Kisses Cream Foundation in shade 16, and this is a game changer for that almost undetectable finish. And before we move on, I'll give the hair a quick comb through to get rid of any tangles or shedding. We're going for a smooth, sleek, and fabulous look. And as for the tangling and shedding, it's very minimal, but keep in mind it's synthetic hair, so don't expect miracles. Overall though, this wig is such a vibe for the fall, especially this color. So if you're looking for something bold, this is definitely the color for you. Now, to keep it real with y'all, after I customized this unit, I made the rookie mistake of not storing the wig in my wig bag. I just left it out on my chair with some clothes piled out on top of it for about a week. So yeah, that's why it's looking a little bit wild, but a quick trim will totally solve that issue and bring it right back to life. I'll then go over the parting space and hairline with my hot comb to make sure everything is laying down flat, just the way that I like it. I'm also pressing the hair forward a little bit to frame my face and give it that effortless, soft look. And I know the curls are looking a little bit bushy right now, but don't worry, I'll be trimming it off camera to give it that polished look. This unit is so thick that you wouldn't even notice it once you trim it. Next, I'll define my middle part with my Kisses Cream Foundation in shade 11 to really make that part pop. You know, we love a good sharp part. And let me keep it real. One thing about me is I don't really follow the same steps for every install. I'm all about switching it up. So sometimes I skip steps, but I always go back to it to make sure everything is on point. Now I'm going to pin the front section of the hair into place, and once it's pinned, I'll spray it down with my holding spray to keep everything secure and in shape. And here we have the final outcome of this look. I am obsessed, okay? Capital O, obsessed. The color, the fullness, this unit is giving me everything I need for the fall. It's definitely a new favorite. So if you don't have this, add this to your closet. Seriously though, I've received so many compliments from all kinds of people, you wouldn't even believe it. I just love the love that I'm receiving. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Thank you, lovelies, for watching my video. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to see you next week for week 3 of my fall wig series. We're just getting started, and I've got so much more fabulous look lined up for you. Bye. See you next week.